clinging to hope through the one who hasn't. At the same time, Pitt is pushing hard in court, demanding access to ex-wife Angelina Jolie's private messages. He claims they could prove she acted with malice during the sale of their French winery. As the feud escalates, Pitt says he won't give up on justice or his kids. Now we are joined by Sanidhya Kumar. He's an advocate joining us live from India. Thank you, Sanidhya, for joining us today. Welcome to NewsX World, Hollywood Calling. So can private texts and emails be exchanged during a business deal between ex-spouses? Can it be legally forced into evidence years later?
Absolutely. When it comes to a case being filed between two parties, any document that has signatures of the said parties is absolutely admissible into evidence. What's very important and the onus to prove is on the party that's filing the case is whether the context of the document that they're relying upon is relevant to the proceedings at hand. So, for example, if there is a business deal that no matter whether it be about 10 years back or 15 years back, if it has material relevance to the case at hand, then it's absolutely admissible into evidence, and it's up to the defense counsel to disprove or dislodge the assumption that the plaintiff counsel is trying to put, that indeed these documents, these exchanges, these correspondences, even WhatsApp chats these days are considered admissible in evidence. In fact, there is a judgment that just came out 3 days back by the Honorable Supreme Court, where secret WhatsApp chats, phone calls, their transcripts were admitted into evidence. So that's very much the norm in judicial proceedings these days.
I see. And Sanidhya, can teenagers legally refuse contact with a parent in a custody agreement, and how much weight does their wish hold in court?
So I'll just give you a little backdrop of what usually entails in custody matters. In most jurisdictions, including India, there is a higher preponderance of the children actually going to the mother, because the courts have an inherent assumption that the mother will be able to take better care of their children. Be that as it may, once a child has crossed, say, an age where they can think independently for themselves, for example, 13 or 14 is considered the benchmark in India. The courts actually do invite comments or statements from the child as to where he would want to be. One thing that's very important in these matters also is the fact that there needs to be no manipulation between the child and one of the parents, because as you said, Brad Pitt is going to pull all stops in order to rekindle his relationship with his children. That may actually end up putting him at odds with Angelina Jolie, and trying to malign her image or secretly trying to get an upper hand on her. So courts are very, very careful whether there's any tutelage or any sort of manipulation that's going on behind the scenes. But yes, to summarize your question, after the age of 13, 14, when a child can think for themselves, their opinion, their experience with their parents has a huge part to play.